Hey, welcome back. Let me ask you something. Are you tired of staring into a camera, take after take, just to record a decent sales pitch or product demo? Or maybe you want to create video content, but you don't have the time, budget, or, let's be honest, the confidence to be on camera yourself. Yeah, same. But I found a tool that solves all of that, and it comes with a lifetime deal. Let me show you. It's called Pitch Avatar, and it's like having your own AI-powered spokesperson that does the talking for you. You just give it a script or even a slide deck, and it turns that into a fully narrated avatar-led video. No camera, no studio, no voiceover actor. And the best part? You can create personalized multilingual videos in just a few minutes. Let me break down a few things I really love about it. AI avatars with voice cloning. You can choose from a bunch of lifelike avatars, or even clone your own voice if you want to keep things personal. No need to hire a presenter or read scripts out loud ever again. 70+ languages and real-time dubbing. Want to pitch a product to Spanish, French, or German-speaking clients? Done. Pitch Avatar handles the translation and syncs the voiceover to the avatar, all automatically. It's like localizing your content without lifting a finger. Personalized video links for sales and outreach. You can generate unique links for each lead or prospect, and the video feels like it was made just for them. It's perfect for sales follow-ups, cold outreach, or onboarding new customers. Built-in chat and call options. This is wild. Your video pitch can include a live chat or even a call button. So if someone's watching and ready to talk, they can reach out right there inside the video. No more waiting around or losing leads. Seamless CRM and email integration. It plugs right into tools like HubSpot, Salesforce, Gmail, LinkedIn, even PowerPoint. So you can go from idea to video to lead capture without jumping between 10 different tabs. Here's the deal. Pitch Avatar is on AppSumo right now, and it's a lifetime deal. Pay once, use it forever. $59 gets you Tier 1. Perfect for solo users. 10 presentations month, 5 avatar minutes, 10 dubbed videos, and 1 cloned voice. Need more? Tier 2 is $139 for 2 users and 40 presentations. Tier 3 is $289 for 5 users, 100 presentations, and 25 avatar minutes. You also get voice cloning, CRM integrations, downloads, and custom branding, all included. Compare that to paying monthly for tools like Synthesia or HeyGen. And yeah, this saves you hundreds. Plus, it's backed by AppSumo's 60-day money-back guarantee. No risk. See you in the next one.